it can be fitted into a very, very small place. Suppose by 3 feet by 3 feet, it will do for it. And also no civil work is needed. No headroom is needed. It's good, compact, and appropriate to our house. They said it is very much fitted into your house, and it goes with your all the interiors. And the aesthetics of the lift is very good. We really enjoy the transparency of the lift. So where you can view in different levels of the same level of the house. It is really good, especially when we go frequently from floor to floor. We would be tired. Now the tiresome is absent, and continuously we are able to use all the floors. Whenever we want to go up, we can go up. Whenever we want to come down, we can come down. So, or what may be the frequency? So no need to describe it.